So in this video we are going to cover this white patch. So the client came from all the way from Belgium to get this treatment done. So the process has been started now. We are matching it up with the exact skin tone. First we are going with the little more lighter tone, so to understand about how her skin is reacting it, and we start to go ahead and proceed with a little more darker tone so that we can get the exact output. As you can see, it's matching with the exact tone, and many of the time clients used to ask us, will this be cause any infections? Though it does not cause any infection and it does not cause any spreading also. It's completely safe to be get it done, and we are using a organic vegan inks which is made specifically for vitiligo camouflage. At the time of treatment, specialist will show it to you that certifications of vegan as well as the organic inks also. You can check it out completely, and we are doing this process from past 15 years now, and we are getting a great progress about it. And if you guys have any other doubts, please do contact us. Our contact number is on there in the display. Our relationship manager will help you out to book an appointment and with the details also. And we require our clients to be go ahead and get the patch test first. Once the patch test got succeeded, and go ahead and proceed with the remaining places also. In that way we can achieve the exact great output. And many of the times clients used to ask, can I be come down and getting it done whole body instead of the patch test? We'll be say okay for you, because it's completely on your risk. There are a chances your skin may not be get accepted also, so that's why we request our clients to be go ahead with the patch test first. But if you wanted to be getting it done, because I'm coming from the long distance or from another country, if you wanted to getting it done, then it's completely your wish. We are ready to do it, but it's on your risk. We can be go ahead and proceed further also. So as you can see, the patch is exactly getting covered. There are no symptoms of any other extra patches or any white patches. Sometimes if you have a look at it, you can't even find out where was that white patch. It's completely getting covered with the skin tone, and it's so smooth all the time. Whenever you'll be having any doubt about this vitiligo pigmentation, or any of your friends, colleagues or family people affected by this vitiligo camouflage, please do share them this video. Many of them does not have an idea about this treatment exists. For them it will be really helpful, and most of the time this video will be shared among the friends to be get awareness about it. We are making this treatment mainly to provide the huge awareness about this vitiligo and get cured many of the people. Our mission is to at least heal 50,000 clients within this year. That is our mission. We are working on it, and please do share it and create awareness among all the people, and let's create a society of vitiligo without vitiligo. So that will be really helpful for many of the people, and it does not cause any of the infections or side effects as I explained you earlier. So no need to worry about much of the infection scenario in this. And if you have any more doubts, please do ping me in WhatsApp, the above described number. Our team will be help you out. And this treatment cannot be done by every artist. This requires a special skill, as I explained to you earlier. So please book an earlier appointment, because on a particular artist can be able to do it, not everybody can be able to do it. So please book an appointment and then visit us, so that we can provide you the much more complete service to you guys in a perfect way. And we have attached our social media links in the description. Please do check it out for more before after pictures. You'll be get a much more clear idea. And if you have any more doubts, do ping us. We are here to help you out and provide you the much more better services. And I'll meet you guys in the next video. Here is the final output of this complete food places. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.